Yep. All right. Today is August 5th, 2025. I'm gonna go over today's price action. Today's just my levels for today. As I'm trying to figure out where to actually put levels because the market went up and then slowly grind up until it filled up that gap on the 50 tick chart. If I can even show it anymore. All right, let's go to 50. No, it's not there. It had a gap right here. Um, this was the gap, but now it's not there anymore. Let's see if I go 3 days. It got me there. Yeah, now it's not there. Wow, interesting. But there's a gap there. That was just weird. But now the gap is not there. See, there it is. That's the gap right there. Pretty sure. Looks like I did it. All right. Well, yeah, the gap was there. 63. Just me adding the lines. 63.74 looks like. 63.74 and 63.62. 63.74, 63.62, which is this gap now that's just gone. Alright, so there was a gap there, but now there isn't. So price is in this level though, so this is something that I'm interested in seeing what price does in that area that was the gap, and I also want to see what happens here. So I'm going to mark my highs, mark my lows, dot my I's, dot my Q's, or it's cross my T. I don't know. Anyways, all of that. Market open and ran. Let's go to the 30-minute chart so we can adjust that. Then we have this high here. This one here, price close. All right. Okay, we got sell, sell. That strong sell right here. I think we had news today. Oh, Trump spoke already, or is speaking. The post of 8:30 news, and so not any major news. Now I also have earnings. AMD comes out this evening. Yeah. All right. So I don't know. I don't know where to find it. I'm not gonna kill myself. Let's see if it showed it here. No. So this one. So Trump spoke today, or is speaking, or one of the two. All right. So let's get into it and try to figure out if we can find some levels. So this here, I do want to look at the Heikin Nashi level real quickly before I move on. This way, so from here to here, perhaps. Right, we have that gap. All right, so this level right here. Extend. Let's just put this back onto the 20. All right, and just want to see if there's anything in here. Volume. Okay, we got this volume here, but that's pretty much it. It was like buy, sell. So there's nothing there really. On the 50, we do get some strong buying. 75, really nothing there. 25, buying, right? So maybe right here, let's go to a 30 tick chart. The same thing. It's about the same spot. Had selling, they never reached it. Buying, that went up. Strong buying here at the end, but price didn't really move much. That's pretty much it. I don't go any further, but we have the 15 also. I did the same thing. Okay, a little lower. Alright, so I don't really know what to say about that area, so we're not going to kill ourselves too much and trying to make something out of nothing. Alright, so let's go back to the regular charts. And let's see if there are any support resistance levels. All right. So price bought up, very nice buy, but no volume in the daily. Strong sell up here. The 4 hours sold off. All right. Nothing. Okay. This stood out. I'm going to draw something around this. This stood out. It's sticking like a sore thumb. No volume, strong volume. This right here. Wow. Alright, so this right here. Below it, I want to see sales. Above it, I want to see buys. It's sticking out like a sore thumb. Empty volume, strong volume. Alright, this I'm probably going to delete. I don't really see much happening up here. Alright, I don't see the sales. 15 minutes. Five. Alright, I'm not going to overthink it. This is the only thing that's the anomaly right now. I don't have a double top. So price is just holding. Here we have just very strong volume. Let's go to the 25. Yep. Alright, a lot of volume here between 64 and 52. Let's go to the 50. Yeah, same area. Alright, so I want to see like price bounce. If not, break this and come down to here. I can get rid of this right here. Right, we go to 75 and we'll see that it's just all buying. So yeah. Okay. Back to 20. Alright, so I'm done with that. I added my eyes, my highs and my lows. Let's fix this so that way it says low. For the high and low, I need to see if I have any strong volume in that area. So we do have this one. Not sure why I have this big ass box down here. Where do I have this big ass box down here? Let's put this 50 here. I'm gonna move that. Alright, so anyways, we got that here. Yeah, so we got that. Let's go NQ. Weekly, daily, 4 hours. One hour. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 30 minutes. Alright, let's do some deleting. I'm gonna have to go higher with that one. I don't see much of anything really. All right, there's not really much anything going on. All right, let's do 100. A lot of volume right here. Pause and then volume again, right here. So this area here, ton of volume traded. Even though you can't see it on the 15, nor on the 20, right? All of that, right? Boom. A lot of volume right there. All right, so I want to see what price does below this, reaching down to here or even further, or coming off of that, bouncing up. VIX, I didn't forget you, baby. 30 minutes. I'm gonna add the high and low. That's pretty much it. I don't really do much with VIX anymore. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. VIX be on its own thing. Hard to really read, but when it's firing, it's firing. When it's not firing, it's just doing something on its own. Right? So it's kind of hard to read at times, not gonna lie. Right now it's inside the weekly. Alright, so got that. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Let's add settlement price, and then I'm gonna settle myself down a little bit. Oh, right above that level. Alright, so that's it. My levels here. I want to see if we can buy here, bounce or break below, retreat down there. Same thing with NQ. Bounce, retreat below, and break down. That's why I saw the strong volume. Got a strong volume right there, midday. And then got nothing else to add to that. So I'm gonna put this on a 5 minute right here time frame. I'm gonna zoom out, keep an eye on everything. Probably stay zoomed in a little bit. That's pretty much it. I don't have anything else to add. 28 minutes before the market opens. See you later.